Hello guys, today I have prepared a practical tutorial for you. This tutorial is applicable in almost all versions of Windows. In this tutorial, we want to see the list of devices that are connected to our wireless modem. Open the internet browser and search for Advanced IP Scanner. In the search results, you will see the first item of the advancedipscanner.com site. Open the site. As you can see, this program is free and it's compatible Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. Click on Free Download button. We will wait until it is downloaded. The size of this program is about 20 MB and it is very easy to install. Choose the language you want and then click on OK. After the application is installed, it is better to know the current IP range. Open the Run window with the Win logo key, enter keys and type CMD and hit Enter to open the command prompt window. You must type the ipconfig command and press Enter. In the wireless LAN adapters section and in front of the default gateway, you can see the IP address of your router. Open the Advanced IP Scanner program and delete the extra IPs and keep only the IP that is the same as the IP range of your modem. By doing this, you specify the IP range for the program to search and tell it to search in the range of 192.168.1 from IP1 to IP254 by ~. Click on the Start button. After the search is finished, the name, IP and MAC address of all the devices that are currently connected to your wireless router can be seen. I hope this video has attracted your attention. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends. For more training, please subscribe to the Tutorial channel.